You guessed it, a package. Amazon. What did we get? What did we get? We got 26,650 battery holders. So I don't have any. So these are the PCB mount because they got little pins on the underside. Right there and there. And they are marked, which is kind of unusual for positive and negative. So here's a 26,650. And then you got a nice tight fit. Very nice. Excellent. So I got a package of 5 of these, and they're proudly made in China. So let's check them out on Amazon. Amazon, we had the BCP 5 pieces, black color, plastic, single, 26,650 battery holder, case, storage box. Current price is $13.59 for a pack of 5. And of course, they're made of plastic. Holder is suitable for rechargeable for $26,650. Lithium-ion battery, light and portable, accessory only. Battery is not included. And another side note is this is not only for 26,650s, it'll also hold fairly snugly an 18,650. And then the rest of the criteria here, not much else to see. So we'll go back to the video already in progress. So there you go. And then we got another package. Within the package, we have Maker Focus, 6 pieces, 2 amp, 5 volt, blah, 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 protection PCB board module, new, made in China. More China. So these little guys, these tiny little things, they're so tiny. These are little charge boards and protection boards for charging 3.7 and 4.2 volt lithium-ion batteries. And these are almost the same, except they don't have a USB connector. And these are 2 amp. So let's check these out on Amazon. The Maker Focus, 6 pieces, 2 amp, 5 volt, charge, discharge, integrated module, 3.7, 4.2 volt for 18,650s, or your 26,650s. Or any other lithium ion that is either a 3.7 or 4.2 volt battery. Lithium battery charging board, boost mobile power protection PCB board module. Current price is $13.99. You get an extra 5% off with the click of the coupon. And then we take a look at the rest of the criteria here. It has over current, over voltage, short circuit, and over temperature protection. And then you can glance at the rest of the criteria. You can pause the video if you need to. So it has several uses, so it's up to you what you want to use it for. So that's that for this little segment. Got specifications right here. So we'll go back to the video already in progress. There you go, 2 amps. 2.1 actually. So these got the same character as these little 1 amp jobbers, and they got the same thing. You can charge and discharge in separate sequences. And they got a little light that says charged or charging. These little guys, they got little indicators on the top. Right here. Right across the top. It says 25, 50, 75%, and 100%. So it gives you a little status of how much charge is in the battery. And these also act as a UPS. So you can charge and drain at the same time. So that's pretty cool. It's kind of a rarity. And this little button here is to actually turn on the output of the charge board. So you can kind of see where I'm going with this now. So battery holder, charge module. So I'm going to put this on here somewhere, probably at the bottom. Make my own little charge boards, holders for 26650s. Woo! Nice. And then finally, we got this little guy. Let's see what these are. Don't want to play. Fix that. So these little guys, there you go. These are USB-C breakout boards. So these have all the necessary connections. And for me, my only interest is VCC in and ground, and the battery positive and the battery negative for. We are at Amazon for the Treedix 4 pieces USB Type-C breakout board, serial basic breakout female connector type PCB converter board. Current price is $8.99, and you got several choices. You can have micro USB, mini USB, or USB Type A. So whatever your poison is, that you may need a breakout board. You can also use these things to make great little test extensions and test leads. And you get a pack of 4. And of course you have to solder your own wires. But it's a lot better to solder the wires in a through hole than it is trying to solder these little pins. And then we'll glance at the rest of the criteria here. And then if you see anything interesting, you can always pause. So that's that for this little segment. So we'll go back to the video already in progress. For these, so 1, 2, 3, we're all going to go together. So you're going to probably say, well, couldn't you just buy a pre-made charger? Yeah, but what's the fun of that? Ain't no fun. Just buy, plug and play, that sucks. I like to play. I like to build things. Keeps the mind active, you know, because I got nothing better to do. I don't play games on the computer. I'm not a gamer. I don't hang out on Twitch all day. I don't hang out on social media all day, other than YouTube. I don't do that crap. I like to tinker. So that is that for this little segment. Now the next thing I'm going to do is put them together. make a couple of charge boards, because now that I'm into 26650s, and that all come about because of these things, these 26650 flashlights. I got a couple more coming. They haven't come here yet. They're here in the States. Postal Service is taking their sweet ass time delivering anything now. I don't know what the hell their problem is. Just the way it is. So, got to charge some 26650s because, you know, the previous video I had charging with magnets and alligator clips and other riffraff to play. So now I got some stuff. And if you want to know, I do have some other chargers coming that are pre-made, but they're coming from across the pond, so it might take a while for them to get here. So I want them now, so I'm going to build them. And Amazon is a perfect place if you can find such stuff to build stuff. And if you need it now, then Amazon is your place to be. And since they're raising the rate for Prime, might as well order as much as you can from them. So if you're going to pay for the service, order the crap out of everything. It's probably why they're raising rates anyway, because so many people are ordering stuff and have it delivered to the door because they don't want to be bothered going to the store now. I'm one of them. I don't want to be bothered going to the store anymore. Fuck it. Why bother with all that humanity out there? So thanks for watching. Next video, we'll put these things together. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.